By now, we've talked about what rest isn't, what you're not meant to carry, and how to rebuild a calm, faith-led rhythm. But there's one more truth I want to leave you with. This kind of healing isn't meant to be done alone. Let's be honest, building a new rhythm can feel lonely, especially in midlife, when so many of us are juggling caregiving, careers, and personal transitions. I used to think I just needed the right book or one more quiet morning to get it all together. But the truth is, I wasn't meant to figure it out alone, and neither are you. Let me ask you, who's walking with you in this season? Not just checking in occasionally, but really seeing the quiet struggles you carry. We need that. We need spaces where we're not performing or proving, just breathing. And that's exactly why I'm creating a space for women of faith inside Balanced Success by Design. It's still small, still unfolding like a garden, waiting for its first seeds. But the first 10 spots are open for founding members. And if this feels like your next step, you're welcome to join us. No pressure, just a soft space to rebuild what matters. Take one small step toward connection today. Text a friend who feels safe. Say yes to a walk, a prayer, or a moment of honesty. Remind yourself, I don't have to do this alone. If this video gave you something to hold on to today, you're welcome to explore the full playlist or join us inside Balanced Success by Design. No pressure, just a gentle next step if you're ready. You've already taken the bravest one by showing up.